President Trump's nominee for Attorney General, William Barr, promised senators today that if confirmed, he will protect the special counsel's Russia investigation, which the president has referred to as a witch hunt. Nancy Cordes has more on this confirmation hearing.
I will not be bullied into doing anything I think is wrong by anybody.
The president's pick for Attorney General was prepared for tough questions about his would-be boss.
The president's going to expect you to do his bidding. I can almost guarantee you he'll cross the line at some point.
68-year-old William Barr is in line to succeed Jeff Sessions, whose close relationship with the president broke down.
Jeff Sessions recused himself, which he shouldn't have done,
over Robert Mueller's Russia probe.
If the president orders the Attorney General to halt a criminal investigation for personal reasons, would that be prohibited under your theory?
I think it would be a breach of the president's duties to faithfully execute the law. It would be an abuse of power.
Barr served as Attorney General once before under President George H.W. Bush. Barr said President Trump tried to recruit him to join his legal team in 2017, but he declined.
Essentially, the president wanted to know, he said, oh, you know Bob Mueller. How well do you know Bob Mueller? And I told him how well I knew Bob Mueller and how, the Barrs and Muellers were good friends.
Do you believe Mr. Mueller would be involved in a witch hunt against anybody?
I don't believe Mr. Mueller would be involved in a witch hunt.
Barr did send an unsolicited memo to DOJ officials last summer, arguing that Mueller's obstruction theory is fatally misconceived and legally insupportable.
It sounds like it was an effort on your part to ingratiate yourself with an administration which is now nominating you for Attorney General.
I can assure you I was not trying to ingratiate myself with anybody.
Republicans argued that concerns about presidential pressure are overblown.
Did he ask you to interfere in Mr. Mueller's investigation?
Absolutely not.
Has anybody in the White House made that suggestion to you?
Absolutely not.
Has anybody in the Western Hemisphere made that suggestion to you?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
Nancy, did Barr shed any light on whether the final Mueller report would be released in full?
He was actually asked about that multiple times, Jeff, and to the frustration of Democrats and some Republicans, he wouldn't commit to releasing the entire report. He said that some of the information may be confidential, but that he'll release what he can. The reason that this is frustrating to Democrats is that they worry that some of this information will never see the light of day.
Okay, Nancy Cordes, thank you very much.